Gary here wants to go skiing at Sugarbush, Vermont, but he doesn't know which ticket to buy. Let's help him figure out which tickets he wants to buy. This is a table to show how much each ticket costs. For the daily pass, it's 0 to start, but every single day, like starting at 1, it's 95, then 190, then 385, and etc. And here is a Flex Pass, but when you buy it, it's $275 upfront cost, but it's only $45 every single time you add it. So that's $45, $45, $45, $45, etc. And then this is the Season Pass, which you only have to buy once, so there's an upfront cost, but after that, it's $842 all throughout. Here's the equations for each of the daily pass, Flex Pass, and annual pass. Daily pass is y equals 95x, and that is true because 95 times the number of days used equals y, or the price of the ticket, or overall cost. Flex Pass is y equals 45x plus 275, because 45 times the number of days plus 275 equals y, or the price overall. And then the Season Pass is just $842 for the whole time, no matter how many days you ski. The red line is the daily pass, and it goes up 95 every day. So starting at 0, and then at 1, it's at 95. At 2, it's at 190, etc. And it crosses the green, which is the Flex Pass, at what seems about 5.5. And the Flex Pass starts at 275 and goes up by 45 every single time. So we go up 45, 45, 45, 45, etc. And here's the orange line, which is the Season Pass. And the Season Pass and the Flex Pass both pass right here at what seems about 12.5 or 12.6. Also, the Season Pass starts at 842 and just stays constant, so it's just going to be a flat line. So here we are solving by substitution, and we have the daily pass versus the Flex Pass. So the equation that we have is 95x equals 45x plus 275, because the equation was y equals 95x, and then the other equation for Flex was y equals 45x plus 275. But since we both have two x's, we're just going to take them out, and we're going to do 95x equals 45x plus 272. So here we're going to solve. Subtract 45x, subtract 45x, so then we can, because we want to get rid of the smaller x. And so then we get 50x equals 275. So we're going to divide by 50 on both sides. So then we get x equals 5.5. What this means is, if we want to ski less than 5 days, we want to get the daily pass. But if we want to ski more than 5 days, we want to get the Flex Pass. Okay, so we're going to be solving by substitution again. So we have the Flex versus the Season. And the Flex equation, as seen on the slide before, is 45x plus 275 is normally equal y, but we take away the y because y equals 842 is the Season Pass, and we don't need those two y's. They can just go away. So then our equation is 45x plus 272 equals 842. So we're going to subtract 275, subtract 275. So we have 45x equals 567. We're going to divide by 45, divide by 45, so then our final answer is x equals 12.6. What this means is, if we want to ski less than 12 days, we want to get the Flex Pass. But if he wants to ski more than 12 days, he wants to get the Season Pass. Here, all these are the same, just in different manners, and all that happens because of this equation. At about 5.5 or 6, this is when the flex pass passes the daily pass to be less money. So at 5.5 and above, you want to be getting the flex pass. And pretty much same around here. Right about here, it'll be less money to get the season pass and more money to get the flex pass. And that's about 12 days, 12.6 or 13. And the same applies here, because it passes here at 5.5. That's when the flex and the daily pass come together to make the flex pass less money. And same with here, as the flex pass and the season pass intersect here, and that states that the season pass will be less money than the flex pass at 12.6 days or 13 or 12. And same applies here. If he wants to ski less than 5 days, he wants to go get the daily pass. If he wants to ski more than 5 days, he wants to get the flex pass. And here too. If he wants to get the flex pass, he wants to ski less than 12 days. But if he wants to season pass, he'll have to ski more than 12 days, so he'll get the season pass. Gary would like to ski at least 20 days. So he's going to get the season pass at 842 because it will be less money than the flex and the daily pass.